Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's going on there? There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be playing some West Coast Florida, but like East Coast Florida, whatever it's called. We're gonna be going fishing. I ain't got nothing ready. We just off the fact we're gonna be going fishing again. That's kind of loud. I'll turn that down. Oh, I'm in reverse. We have no friends coming with us today on this fishing trip. Let me spawn the boat in real quick. I have literally nothing ready. I just loaded in and started the video. Shoot. Bro, like, can y'all please tell me why, or like, at least, like, why do all YouTubers be like, well, this is going on. If you don't see this, that means, what is it called? Um, if you don't see this video, that means this something happened or whatever. How are they gonna know? Like, that's my question though. How are they gonna know if they don't see the video? Like, that's always been my question. Like, how are they gonna know? We got this nice little black and white setup though with white underglow. Boat ramp 2 maybe? No, not 2, not 2. Ramp 1. There we go. They're just like literally at the same places for some reason. I don't know why. I got the best backing up skill in history. Or like I did that. Please remove the trailer or it will despawn in. Because most people would camp the trailers right there. Oh, that's so funny. That is so funny. Bro, my friends did that. Just kept it there. But now they can't. Oh my god, that's so funny. If y'all want to play with me, just let me know. My username is Zay dude. I'll put it in the title or whatever. I'll put it in the theme. Yeah, we're finna go fishing. Run. Beginner rod. Just unenable that. Expert. Yep. We're gonna be out till nighttime. Pretty sure. Let's phrase this. I'll find a way to make y'all see it like full screen. Yeah. Come on, please don't be stuck on that. This way might going that way. You sure that way? This way, this way. Boom. Ever since they revamped the whole map and the graphics and everything, the water looks so much better. Currently 22 feet down right now. Well, back down to 9, but I don't know which way I'm going. Am I going down more that way? Oh, we're going out to the ocean. I forgot about that. Oh, no, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Ooh, that was the cleanest. It's clean. That was almost a hit. Oh, my God. Why don't I just go to that boat ramp over there? Oh, not that one. Yeah, that one over there. Boat ramp 2 and 3. And just come out here. I don't know why I do lots of things I do. I'm gonna be completely honest. We is cast away. Like that. Yeah, this setup's clean. Clean. Nice little white boat. Nice little white boat. Why am I not at 100 yet? I'm almost at the end. Did they like make it not so deep? The water? I haven't been fishing in this game since the revamp, since like before the revamp, so no, since the last video I made on this game. The pole mechanics I could say are way better. For I'm not turning up. I'm not turning up the boat. Turning up the boat is crazy work. My LEDs on the boat's broken for some reason. It's too far to cast. Too far. Wait, do I have my themes enabled? Enabled, yeah. Maybe they added better baits because I don't be catching anything good with these baits. So like that's a little baby. I'm trying to catch these big ones that are making big money. Wait. Like turn on the camera. I don't know what that does. What's that do? It says like camera thing talking. I don't know what that does. Y'all can't see it, but there's a thing on top of my screen where I can like pause the video and stuff. And there's a screen, it has a cross across it, and it has like audio. I don't know. Yeah. We are castaways. Avoid that. Avoid. Don't. I didn't catch anything. No, he took mine. Yeah, I got two more though. 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 I'm honestly crashing out though. That's my question. I was crashing out. Oh no, I don't want to be up there. Stephanie, let me like position myself like there. Boom. This is peak spot. This is peak spot. Sorry if this video is a little long. So I know like, well, all YouTube videos are long, but this one gonna be a long one, like 10, 20 minutes. Most videos I see on the game aren't even close to 10, or not like not even close to 20. So please stay till the end. We are castaways. Bro, what am I singing? I got no music, cause I know if I do, it's gonna get copyright, and then I'm finna be cooked. Well, I ain't that big of a streamer. A streamer? Oh my god. Or content creator. I only got 12 followers. If I get copyright, I ain't trying to get copyright. I've seen like small creators with 2 followers get like what is it called, copyright and sued from having a song in there. Is that they weren't supposed to? Like maybe I could throw my own music in there. That'd be since I'd be rapping. I'd be rapping on SoundCloud. Real castaway. With 500 followers, so I don't really know. I'm just completely yapping right now, bro. I bet you my parents or my sisters or whatever, like, who the fuck he talking to? happened? I think I'm finna head back to the boat dock because I'm pretty sure I've caught enough things, and the video is already like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes long. Takes a few minutes to get there. Pretty sure the sun's getting starting to go down too. So. Well, I did go to boat ramp 101. I'm tripping, game. I don't know. But I just did a whole circle for no reason. Pretty sure I did. I don't know what I do most of the time, game. Why am I saying game like I'm in a hood or something? I do not know. This POV kind of fly. I kind of like this POV. What is that? What is that? Is that a flashbang or a stink bomb or something? Oh, where am I going? Where am I going? I'm confused. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know where. Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure? Yeah, this way, this way, this way. I completely don't know. Like, I don't know the ways around this map as good as the old one. Yeah, the boat physics got a lot better. They redid that. Pretty soon I'm finna get the fastest boat again. Or a cleaner boat, cause this is only 90k. Not trying to flex. But saying this is only 90k and it kinda dookie with that top part. I don't like the top part. I don't be using it. Okay, we're gonna turn into here. See, look, the LEDs on my boat don't be working. He has LEDs on his boat don't be working neither, so I'm like, just gonna pull up like this. Right here should be good. Yep. Boom. I'm just gonna back it up. If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fat enough? See me wet. But like when I turn this thing on, can y'all see my face? Like I just turned it on. Were y'all able to see my face? So I'm confused. So yeah. Oh, what the heck? Oh no, oh no. Oh, that thing backed up hella fast. That's like the first time I've ever messed up backing up. We got the boat up on there. Turn on the lights. I don't like this incline right here. Like, what are some people with like a squatted trick doing this? Oh, that's not sure. So I need to go down there to tell my fish. Oh, I'm so glad I left the water training, and I'm not trying to be out there in that water. Wait, can I enter from here? Pretty sure, maybe? Oh, I can't. Catch me, Goofy. Wait, please don't tell me there's a fence. There's a fence, I'm gonna be hella mad. Oh, what? Fishing quarters? Oh, I like that. I've caught that one before. Same with that one. Wait, what is he? Talk to Silly Sam. I don't know about that. Silly Sam. I feel like he be doing silly things to silly people. No, just silly things to other people. Not gonna lie. How do I sell my fish? Oh, it's over here. Okay, I was confused. Wait, do I get it? Do I still get it? I'm still confused. What the heck? What do I saw on my face? Bayside Marina. Like, I'm going to the map. How far is that from me? I'm at Bayside Marina. That. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know where I'm going now. Not 100% sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we drifted that boat. Boto? Well, I keep going straight. I'm confused. I'm not confused than a motherfucker. Will I turn this way? No, I gotta keep going up more. Yeah. Turn right here, turn right here. Is this what I do? This is where I'm going? This is what I do. This is where I'm going. Okay, so I can't drive through that. Casual Roblox game, can't drive through brush. Oh, we drifting a boat. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's this way. I'm not really drifting the boat. I'm not trying to drift the boat. Alright. That's how I'm reading. Where am I supposed to be? I'm supposed to sell the fish. Inside interior zone. This is not where I'm wanting to go. I wanted to go sell my fish. Where do I go? Inside zone 6, inside zone. Are they in all inside zones? How do I sell my fish? How do I sell my fish? Oh Maria. Oh, inside zone. Wait. Oh, cause I clicked that recently. I'm done with fuck. Water park. Beach access to. No, it's gonna be the end for it. I can't find this. Bye y'all. Love y'all.